Welcome back to my channel, your go-to destination for all things motorcycles. If you're passionate about two wheels, engine roars, and the thrill of the open road, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and updates. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Honda SCL500, a bike that blends classic Scrambler aesthetics with modern performance. Honda has taken a bold step forward with this model, catering to both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts who crave a stylish yet capable motorcycle. Let's take an in-depth look at what makes the 2026 SCL500 a standout in Honda's lineup. At first glance, the 2026 SCL500 immediately commands attention with its vintage-inspired design. Honda has successfully captured the essence of the Scrambler style: high-mounted exhaust, minimalist bodywork, and rugged touches, while incorporating contemporary design cues. The round LED headlight, slim fuel tank, and tuck-and-roll seat all combine to give this bike a retro vibe with modern flair. Powering the SCL500 is a 500cc parallel twin-engine, refined for 2026 to deliver smooth and responsive power. This engine configuration strikes a perfect balance between beginner-friendly performance and enough punch to keep experienced riders engaged. With improved fuel injection and updated tuning, the SCL500 offers crisp throttle response and efficient fuel consumption. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting back roads, this bike feels right at home. One of the most exciting updates for the 2026 model is the enhanced rideability. Honda has fine-tuned the suspension setup, featuring telescopic front forks and dual rear shocks, designed to handle a variety of terrains. This makes the SCL500 a versatile machine, perfect for urban commuting, weekend adventures, or light off-road excursions. The suspension soaks up bumps with ease, providing a comfortable and controlled ride. Handling is another strong point for the SCL500. With its lightweight frame and low center of gravity, this bike offers nimble maneuverability. Whether you're weaving through city traffic or leaning into curves on winding roads, the SCL500 feels agile and responsive. Honda's attention to weight distribution and chassis balance really shines through here. The braking system on the SCL500 is designed for confident stopping power. Up front, there's a single-disc brake with a twin-piston caliper, while the rear features a single-disc setup. Both are supported by Honda's advanced ABS system, giving you extra security in sudden braking situations. It's the kind of system that works seamlessly in the background, but makes a world of difference when you need it most. Comfort and ergonomics are key for any rider, and Honda hasn't cut corners here. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and mid-mounted foot pegs create a relaxed yet commanding riding stance. The seat is plush enough for longer rides without sacrificing the bike's sleek profile. Riders of various heights will appreciate how accommodating and comfortable this setup is. In terms of technology, the 2026 SCL500 keeps things simple but effective. A compact digital display gives you all the necessary information: speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position, in a clear and easy-to-read format. For riders who appreciate connectivity, Honda offers optional Bluetooth integration, allowing you to sync your smartphone for music and navigation. Lighting is another area where the SCL500 shines, quite literally. Full LED lighting, including the headlight, taillight, and turn signals, not only enhances visibility, but also adds to the bike's modern retro appeal. It's a thoughtful blend of form and function that suits the bike's overall design. Customization is a big part of the Scrambler culture, and Honda has embraced this with the SCL500. The bike comes with a wide range of optional accessories, including luggage racks, skid plates, handguards, and even different seat designs. Whether you want to lean into the Scrambler aesthetic or make the bike more adventure-ready, the customization options are plentiful. Fuel capacity and efficiency are well balanced on the SCL500. The fuel tank holds enough for long rides without feeling bulky, and thanks to Honda's refined engine tuning, the bike offers impressive mileage. It's designed to be practical for daily commutes and weekend getaways alike. Color options for the 2026 model year are particularly eye-catching. Honda offers the SCL500 in several bold finishes, including classic matte black, vibrant retro orange, and a stunning deep blue. Each colorway is finished with premium paint quality, ensuring the bike looks as good as it performs. When it comes to pricing, Honda has positioned the SCL500 to be an accessible option for a wide range of riders. It offers excellent value, especially considering the blend of style, performance, and modern features. Whether you're a beginner looking for a reliable first bike or an experienced rider wanting something stylish and fun, the SCL500 fits the bill. So, who is the 2026 Honda SCL500 for? It's perfect for riders who appreciate classic design with modern functionality. Whether you're commuting through the city, exploring country roads, or simply enjoying weekend rides, this bike delivers a well-rounded and enjoyable experience. To sum it up, the 2026 Honda SCL500 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a celebration of style, performance, and versatility. Honda has successfully merged retro Scrambler aesthetics with contemporary engineering, creating a bike that's both fun to ride and easy to own. What are your thoughts on the new Honda SCL500? Drop your comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow riders. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel name for more in-depth reviews and all the latest in the motorcycle world. Until next time, ride safe and keep the adventure alive.